Let's now see how to actually use the custom message that you've just created inside your own code. So I will first do it in Python. So we will create a new Python node. So let's go inside my Python package to create a new file. And so we have created a hardware status message. Here I will simply create a hardware status publisher so we can publish this message on a topic. Hardware status publisher.py. Let's make it executable. Okay, and we can now edit the file. So let's use the template as always and rename it hardware status publisher node hardware status publisher. Okay, and our code structure is now ready. So we will create a publisher here, and of course for this publisher we will need to specify the message type. So we will first add the message type here, and okay, let's check the number publisher here. To import a message from example interfaces, we just used example interfaces.msg and then import the message. And so that will be exactly the same here, but we will use for my robot interfaces.msg import hardware status. Okay, that's it. And now if you use VS Code, you may have an error when you import here. It may be red here saying it doesn't find the file. So this is just a tip for VS Code. Okay, in that case you may need to add the include path for the Python directory where the messages are installed. So you can simply go to preferences settings, then you can type Python path, and here you have Python autocomplete extra path. You can edit in JSON, and you will be able here to add one path. And if we go to a terminal, okay, if you go to the install folder of your workspace in my robot interfaces, you will go to the Python path for the messages, which is right here, this one. Okay, here you have the init.py for the messages, so you will simply add this to your extra path. Okay, you can save that, and that's it for VS Code. It should work now if it doesn't work yet. So you have my robot interfaces, and that is a new package we are using from that package. Okay, so we need to add a dependency in the package.xml, of course, depend. Okay, so we already have a dependency for RCLPy and example interfaces. We add a new dependency for my robot interfaces, which means that when my Python package will be built, it will first check that my robot interfaces is here. Okay, so if my robot interfaces is not built yet, then this one will wait until this is built so it can build over the messages here. And well, that's it for the setup for the Python package. You just have one depend line to add here, so you can use the package and then you import the message here. Now we will create a publisher, hardware status publisher, self create publisher with the type, which is hardware status, the name, which will also be hardware status, which is quite descriptive, and a queue size of 10. And now we will also use a timer, so we can publish on the topic at a given rate. And we will first create a function to publish the hardware status, publish hardware status. Okay, so we will create a message. So you can just do that, create a hardware status message. So as you can see, even if it's your own custom message, it's just the same as using any other messages that you've already used before. And inside this message, we now have 3 fields. Temperature, so let's say it is 45. Message, are motors ready? Let's say it's true. And message, we have debug message, which will be nothing special here. So you can fill any field you have on your message, and finally using the publisher, hardware status publisher, to publish your message. Okay, and now let's create a timer, self timer, which will be create timer. So we want to publish every 1 second, and we will actually put the publish function, publish hardware status. Let's put a log here, self get logger info. So I'm going quite quickly here because it's something that you already saw before. Hardware status publisher has been started. Okay, and the node is finished. So if you check the number publisher node, well, it is exactly the same code. Okay, we are just using a different message and different data here, but the structure is exactly the same, okay, even if it's a different message. So let's now install this file in setup.py. We will add here hardware status publisher. Okay, let's use this simplified name here. So my Python package hardware status publisher main. Okay, we can now go back here and we can build colcon build packages select with my Python package and symlink install. Okay, I will source the bash rc here, and now rus to run my Python package hardware status publisher, and it is running. Okay, so here we can see rus2 node list, we can see our node, rus2 topic list, hardware status. If I do rus2 topic info on hardware status, you can see the type is my robot interfaces message hardware status. And now let's check rus2 topic echo hardware status, and here you will get an error. Okay, why is that? Why do we get an error? Because we haven't sourced this session here in this terminal. So we still have the source for the global rus2 installation and the rus2 workspace, but before we actually built the messages and before we built the node here. So this terminal doesn't know the my robot interfaces package, okay, because we haven't sourced the session yet. Okay, so that's the kind of error you can get. Usually, when you get an error, always source your bash rc, because maybe that was the problem. So now we can listen and it will work. And well, we just have messages that are printed. So now you are able to create your own custom messages and use them in your Python code.